I'm Kaila Rosa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to Hi, I'm Kaila Rosa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about some plans that I have for the channel, the future of the channel, if you will. So that's my face. That's something different about this video, so you guys can see that things are about to change. I have my script behind the camera, so if I'm looking at that direction, it's just for guidance. Anyway, I have very exciting plans. So I will try to shake things up and try something different. And to be honest, I'm sorry for the noise. And to be honest with you guys, I'm not actually I am a behind the scenes kind of girl. It's really taken me a lot of courage to be here in front of a camera, and it's really out of my comfort zone. So I'm very shy, I'm very introverted person. So for that, subscribe please. Anyway, I will be changing the format a little bit. Of course, I'll still be posting short videos. So yeah, so let's talk about a little bit what are the changes that is going to happen. First, I'm going to start posting art vlogs. So where I'm going to show the behind the scenes of everything that is related to my art journey, art studies, study schedules, courses, and new art challenges, trying new materials like on different mediums, trying traditional art, painting, things like that. For example, as you guys know, I am a graphic designer. If you didn't know that, I have a video about 7 facts about me. You can go check it out. So I will be posting things related to design, graphic design, especially my personal brand. If you guys can notice, this channel is everything made by me. I hope you guys like it, and if you have some criticism, feel free to leave a comment. Constructive criticism only. Anyway, so I will be taking you guys on this journey with me, and I hope you guys like it. Maybe I'm thinking about sharing a few of my reading habits too, if you guys want, or my journey learning Korean. I don't know, maybe. Anyway, so now I will explain a little bit more about these projects in detail. So keep watching. Yeah, I was doing that. Ooh. Anyway, I will be what I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway, the most exciting part of this video, and I'm calling the Kaila Project. This project is going to be about everything that has to do with my OC Kaila. If you don't know, I'm gonna put it in the screen right here. That's Kaila. And this project is an ongoing project that I'm working little by little for quite some time now. But I feel like I have to push forward to bring this project to alive, let's just say that. So I'll be posting related content to that, so I can challenge myself to do it properly. But on serious note, I want to take this project forward, and I have so many ideas and big plans for the Kaila universe and everything, this Kaila world. So yeah, I know it sounds a little bit vague right now, but I will bring more specific topics when I started posting here on YouTube. I'm going to keep something for myself at the moment, just a little bit mixture for you guys. I will be bringing more characters for her universe. I'm working on building the universe itself, like a neighborhood, a house, things like that. And bear with me because I'm really new in this kind of stuff. So if you're lost right now, I am too. I really want this project to work. I'm really excited about it. I know that it's going to be fun, and who knows, this can lead to something even bigger in the future, and I want to share with you guys. The second big project is going to be a digital painting course. Who want to learn digital painting and don't know how, or for those that want to improve their illustration skills. So I'm planning to do a series of videos about color and light, perspective. I'm really bad, but I will try to explain a little bit body proportions, facial expressions, character stylizations, and more things like that. And of course, I just want to disclaim a little bit that I'm not a art professor. So I'm doing this work perspective of students because I don't know. I think you can gain information from everyone and everywhere. Wanted to share some of the things that made me learn as through a student perspective. Yeah. Well, with this course, I will try to explain as simple as possible what I know about all these subjects that I listed earlier, and I hope it can help some of you guys. Yeah, I think even if you think you know a subject, just learning from a new and a different perspective can really help your art improve. Now about this one, designing my brand. As a graphic designer myself, really like this part, so I'm planning to refine my brand because I've been doing this all over the place. So I will try to restructure and refine it by redesigning and filling in some pieces that I'm missing. This one is see. So yeah, and last but not least, art vlogs. As I said in the intro, I will be posting art vlogs about pretty much everything. I think I already said that anyway, but everything that I'm creating at the moment, either for the channel or for personal project, exercise to I like to take you guys with me. Anyways, I think this is it. I will try to show my process behind everything, and I'm really excited about this chapter of the channel, and I hope you guys stay here with me so we can create this together. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it and are as very excited as I am with everything that I just told you that I'm planning to do. So yeah, I see you guys pretty soon. You're gonna see a lot of my face now. Hope I don't scare you. Nice. So that's it for the video. If you guys like it, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button so you can get notified whenever I post. See you in the next video.